Today's recipe is a South Indian special. It is called Seeme badanekayi roti. So it is Chow Chow in English. Let's begin the recipe. In a bigger bowl, I'm going to add in the rice flour, chilli paste according to your taste, salt, sugar. To mix this, I don't need water. To this, I'm going to add in the grated vegetable. This looks more, but still this is needed with the quantity. Going to add in the grated fresh coconut, chopped coriander, as you can see, there is no water added and the dough is completely wet. I'm going to add a little bit of oil on the tawa. Smear this well. Take a small quantity of the dough and start spreading. It is evenly spread and it is very thin. Now I'll put this onto the flame. I'll turn on the flame and drizzle some oil. I can switch off the flame. Crispy roti is ready to eat. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.